Hola, ¿qué tal? What is the gender in languages? In many languages in the world, nouns are sorted into different classes that other words like adjective, verbs, pronoun, determiners must be agree with it. These noun classes are often referred to as gender, which is etymologically descended from Latin genus or from French genre, which means sort or type or kind. Gender agreement helps to indicate which adjective, pronoun, determiners, etc. are associated with a particular noun or word or adjective. In languages that mark grammatical gender, all nouns are assigned to a class. You might be familiar with masculine and feminine. To describe these nouns classes, we have two philosophies. The first one is we have like two-way distinction language, like French, like Spanish, because we have masculine or feminine. But the second philosophy is three-way distinction language, like Russian, like German, because they deal with nouns in three different types. We have masculine, we have feminine, and we have neuter. For example, in Spanish we say un amigo americano, un amigo americano, which means an American friend. Okay. We say also in Spanish una amiga americana, which means an American friend, the same meaning. But the first example was un amigo americano, which means a male American friend, a male American friend. Okay, the second example was una amiga americana, which means a female American friend. The noun amigo in Spanish ends in O, which means it's masculine, okay, and its feminine counterpart, which is amiga, end in A, which leads us to use a different article, un for masculine and una for feminine, and the different adjectives like americano for masculine and americana for feminine, and or the Spanish nouns which end in O are masculine, which is wrong because we have so many nouns which are end in different vowels or a consonant letter. For example, we have el coche, which means the car, and we have el balcón, which means the balcony. Both of them are masculine. Even words, we have words that end in A and it's masculine, like for example el dia, it's masculine, ends in A, el dia, it's masculine. And we have el clima, ends in A and it's masculine, not feminine, that end in O and it's feminine, like la foto, end in O and it's masculine. And we have la mano, which means the hand, ends in O and it's feminine. In German, which is a three-way distinction language, only articles agree with nouns, not adjective. For example, der junge Mann, the young man. Der, it's a masculine article. Junge, it's not a masculine or feminine, maybe it's neuter. Mann, which means man in English. And we have die junge Frau. Die, it's a feminine article. The whole sentence means the young woman. Junge, the same with the first sentence because der junge Mann and der junge Frau. The third example, we have the neuter, das junge Mädchen, which means the young girl. Das for neuter. In German, this girl is a neuter. We don't know why. Okay. Junge in the three sentences are the same, because adjective we can sort it into different classes. Feminine and masculine adjective are the same in German.